Are you an entrepreneur that wants to do business God's way, but you find yourself stuck in rhythms and patterns of cultural systems and traditions that just kind of leaves you feeling like, well, what am I supposed to do? I want to build a business with God. I want to build a legit, recognizable brand. I want to do business with integrity. I just don't know where to start. This channel is going to be for you. I'm going to get straight into it. I am not going to hold you. I have been stalling this YouTube channel. I have been stalling doing YouTube consistently because I felt like I needed to have perfectly curated YouTube experiences. And I have been stalling for what? I am giving the Lord a fresh yes for 2025, and I am dedicated to making one video a week at least. I'm going to make one video a week. Myron Golden says when he first started on YouTube, shout out to Myron Golden. We love him here. Okay, we love Myron Golden. He says when he first started, he said, I'm just gonna do one video a week and I'm gonna see where that takes me. If I can be consistent with YouTube, I know one, I'll be in obedience because God already told me to be on YouTube last year and I've been stalling. So I am installing, aka disobedient. We're going to be honest. I've been disobedient. So we are coming out of agreement with disobedience in the YouTube area. And I say, Lord, you have authority in this space. You have authority in this space. I've been able to work with some phenomenal companies, phenomenal people. I have been able to exit out of poverty, not meaning just by a bank account number, but that as well. Like I've been able to learn how to create solutions and create income, and I want to teach people how to do it in a way that's biblically accurate, in a way that God can get the honor and glory from. I have always believed God has something to say about every single part and aspect of our life, so business is not excluded from that. God and business do not have to be separate. So this space, this channel is going to be for the entrepreneur that wants to build a God-led brand. It's going to be straight up raw. Like, I'm not going to sugarcoat. I'm going to give you insight from what I believe the Lord is saying to entrepreneurs around the world. We are going to talk about things that entrepreneurs are doing, lessons that I wish I would have learned sooner. I'm going to talk to you about including Holy Spirit in your business, and we are going to grow together. This channel is going to be about us growing together as entrepreneurs that want to do business with God. I say this all the time. God is my business coach. Like, God is my business coach. I don't have the biggest team, but even the fact that I do have a team, I'm like, I come from poverty. I come from, I mean, like we didn't have nothing. I didn't travel a whole lot. I didn't desire to live in a different state. God literally moved me from Seattle to Dallas, and my whole life has changed. I have got brand deals because of the Lord. I have signed huge contracts, 5 and 6 figure contracts because of the Lord. This is real, but you know what? I'm not just making money so that I can flex that I've made money. I believe that God has a solution to and for our finances. And I want to show you how to do it. You're an entrepreneur. I know you're on this channel because you want to build business with God. You want to do it the Lord's way. And so because you are here and you've landed here, I'm going to be sharing with you my journey. I might have guests. I might bring people on to talk. We're going to go through this journey together. Cheers to it not having to be perfect. I know the Lord is going to bless this channel because of it. I get so many questions around the world saying, like, how did you go from having negative money in your account, creating your business by a trash can, starting at your kitchen table, to having a recognizable brand? This YouTube channel is going to be the explanation of that. I'm going to give you real strategies and frameworks. Because if I've only built tables for myself, and at the end of the day, I've taught no one else how to build a table, I've done nothing. I have done nothing. So welcome to this channel. Thank you for being here along the ride. I am so excited to build with you.